Good morning everyone. How many of you are using Notion for your regular work? So Notion is having an amazing AI feature that enables all of the searching, generating, analyzing and quick chat with your pages that you have created within your ecosystem that is there. So a lot of buzz is going around this. I wanted to make a quick video for this. This is available for your $10 per member for all your workforce that is there. If you want annually, it is a little bit lesser, and I will show you a quick demo about this. You can ask a specific question to your pages, like what are the action items pending from your side. You need to summarize something that is there as well. You can import your knowledge from any app that is available. There are multiple apps that are there that you can really use and start connecting with it, and it's a very good assistant knowledge management application. So for the people who are already using Notion, Notion AI is a go-to place for that, and it really depends that you don't need to come completely into Notion just for this. There are other features also available, but if you are using Notion, then try this Notion AI app, which can really be an amazing AI feature that is going to help you within your activities that you are doing, including generating diagrams, flowchart, translating, improving your writing, task management, and everything that is there. So as I was mentioning earlier in the videos, that AI is going to be part of products that are already available. So Notion has been there for some time. It is one of the very good knowledge management platforms that are available, and now they have included AI that is there. So if you want to see the pricing of this particular thing, other than the features, as we all know, there are different it's free to start with for a very basic pages. Then you have a plus, which I am using right now, which you can have up to 100 guests you can invite to your pages that are there. You can have unlimited blocks for teams, and you can make charts, dashboards and all those things. And in this, if you want to add Notion AI, this adds to your specific workspace for a $10 per month, which is approximately 0.5 or less dollars per day. So this which is very affordable, and it can helps you do a lot of things that are there. And we will have one specific workshop in the future which talks about some of these things that are there. Today I will just quickly let you know few things that we have done. Like suppose you have a notebook, so I have asked here what all you can do for me. So it helps me to write and edit content, search across your workspace, so whatever you have in your workspace. So I have a lot of mentees, and I have pages for each and every one, what are their progress and everything. So it's very tough for me to know everything. So this tool really helps me gather my thoughts and communicate with my mentees accordingly. It also helps us search through different Notion pages and connected apps like Google and Slack, and you can connect multiple, that's ones that I showed you. Creating new pages and content, though for databases you will need to create them first, and then I help set them with AI. So you need to create the structure, and then the AI is going to populate it. Generate summaries and key informations, this is there that I really use it a lot, and assist with any questions about how to use Notion in a productive way. So what I did, that I just wrote a simple prompt, tell me about my mentees and how many are they. So they did a quick search, and it is telling me that it appears to be mentoring at least 9 people currently, providing guidance on topic like Python programming, AI technology, career development, and these things. It also gives us the link. Like suppose Nadeem Ahmed, it gives you the link here. If I open in here, it is going to open me Nadeem Ahmed's page. Similarly, it will give me all the information here. Suppose I open a specific page, like I open Mohammed Rizwan's page, that is here. Suppose this is Mohammed Rizwan's page, and there are so many things which are the what do I know. So in this page there are multiple blocks that are there. If you can see what I can just mention, what is the action item on this. So I opens Mohammed's page and I ask the specific question, what is the action item on this. So it is going to give me a very specific key action items. Complete your ikigai exercise, and fill the goals, start self-paced, send notes. This page also shows the sections so it gives me everything. It searches through these pages and gives me the open items that are there, some of the action items that are there. It gives it to me. So this really helps me to monitor. So I'm just giving you my example, but you can really customize it. You can use it according to your use, and this is a very amazing feature for people who are already using Notion to play around with this. It's a very good knowledge management platform which I have recently started using. So do let me know how is your experience with this. Share, like and comment this YouTube video so that it reaches more people. And thanks for your time and have a great day ahead.
And begin your journey toward AI-enabled excellence. Transform your AI strategy. Transform your leadership. Transform your future.